Spot trading refers to buying or selling of different instruments like foreign currencies, commodities, equities, or any other financial asset which is due to be immediately delivered on a particular spot date. Cryptocurrency markets also enable traders access to spot trading in different digital assets. My name is Josh, and today we look at what is spot trading in cryptocurrencies, and how it differs from futures trading. A spot trade, also referred to as a spot transaction, means an exchange of a financial instrument with instant delivery. The current price of any asset is called the spot price. It is the price at which a trader can buy or sell the instrument immediately. With spot trading, you can buy or sell your cryptocurrencies with other users on exchange platforms. This order or transaction is settled immediately or on the spot once it's filled. Spot markets include buyers, sellers, and an order book. Buyers place an order for any cryptocurrency token with a specific bid or the buy price. Sellers place an order with a specific ask or sell price. Now, before we discuss order books, let's review what is a bid and what is an ask. Bid is the maximum price of the specific cryptocurrency that a buyer is willing to spend, and ask is the minimum price of the specific cryptocurrency that a seller is willing to sell. Bids and asks are then logged as orders in the order book. An order book contains two sides: the ask side for buyers willing to buy, and a bid side for sellers willing to sell. So for instance, if I place an order to buy Bitcoin, this transaction will automatically go to the bid side of the order book in spot trading. This order is automatically fulfilled when a seller from the exchange platform is selling at the same requirements. Similarly, when I place an order to sell Bitcoin, the transaction moves onto the ask side of the order book. In an order book, the orders that you see in green are the buyers of a specific token, and the ones that you see in red are the sellers of the same token. Generally, spot trading is done with the intention to buy low and sell high in order to turn a profit. But bear in mind that you might not be able to turn profits every time. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and the ability to turn trades into profits depends upon a variety of factors. Now, let's discuss the difference between spot trading and futures trading in cryptocurrencies. In spot trading, traders usually buy assets like Bitcoin and hold it to sell at a later time when the price of Bitcoin increases. In this practice, a trader can only generate a profit when they buy low and sell high. Alternatively, in futures trading, traders agree to buy or sell a financial asset like Bitcoin at a predetermined price and a set date. It is a derivative contract that follows the price movement of the underlying financial asset. In crypto futures, traders implement two strategies to profit from trading in digital assets. By anticipating if the price of a cryptocurrency will rise or fall within a time duration, traders can choose to go long or go short. Crypto futures are a great instrument to hedge your risk position and incur returns, even when the price of a digital asset is falling down. Interested in learning more about the basics of trading in cryptocurrency, or how to leverage trading with cryptocurrency futures? In the description, I've put blog resources to help traders navigate their journey in the cryptosphere. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and click the subscribe button. And as always, happy hopping!